All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So I've actually been testing out the SoundPEATS Life. This is a set of earbuds here that SoundPEATS has coming out. By the time you're watching this, I've had these for a few weeks, but these are very nice. These are from SoundPEATS. These are the Life Edition. So they have active noise canceling, Bluetooth 5.2. Obviously, they're wireless, but they have AI ENC, and that helps with your phone calls, give you some nice, clear phone calls. And you guys know I actually use my phones in my house for calls. So I'm always wearing earbuds at some point for phone calls. I just think to get the most out of your earbuds, you don't have to always, you need to be able to have a balanced playing field when you're having calls or music or whatever. Now, they do have transparency mode. They have a more immersive sound this time around with these more affordable ones. And these will be under $50. But again, remember, I've had these for a few weeks by the time you see this video, and then also they're probably just not releasing too, but they also have a gaming mode. So up to 25 hours of playback time is what they're actually promising. So check the link in the description. Tech specs and everything will be down there for you. But just let me give you my first impressions of these earbuds. So it comes in this nice simple box right here that SoundPEATS always has. Nothing fancy. A plastic box, or excuse me, a paper box, and then you get the earbuds themselves. Now, this is the case that it comes in. I love the little Superman logo that they've taken on here. They actually have it on the earbuds as well. And I think it's important to note that a quality case can say a lot about a company. So all of their cases don't look like this. Obviously, they have cases that are smooth plastic. I have the Pro version. I have the threes. I have gotten nearly every earbud from them, and all of them have great sound, but not all the cases look like this. So this is more of that textured. You can even see that it's got some texture to it. So it feels like you're holding on to something. It's not just smooth plastic. And then on the back here, you can see you have a spot for your Type-C. That's important that it's Type-C. You get a real stubby Type-C cable in there, and I understand why they do that to cut costs. But honestly, I don't even use those. I use a regular length USB cable, or at least one longer than that. Because that cable you need to plug it into a computer or somewhere where it'll be able to rest on the surface. But nonetheless, opening up the earbuds here. They come in a nice form factor. This is a traditional style earbud now with a long stem on it, because you can obviously probably get more microphones and do a better job for phone calls with the direction of the microphones. So the case itself, again, quality case. It doesn't just flop close. When you give it a little bit of a shake test, it'll stay in there, and also the earbuds are staying in there, if you take note of that. So popping the earbuds out, close case up. This is what the earbuds look like. Again, keeping with the traditional SoundPEATS logo on it, I really like this logo on their earbuds. And you can see they're connected to my phone because it's lit right there. I've already charged these up and been using them. And so on the bottom here, you can see you've got that microphone right there, because you're going to need to make some calls, and you're going to need a microphone. Now, looking at the tips here, they're doing better with the tips. They're not shipping these with extra small tips. Some companies ship with extra small tips, and I just don't like that. So with these having active noise canceling, they're really good, folks. They're a solid set of earbuds. And again, they're under $50. So what more do you want? Like, what more could you ask for when it comes to a set of earbuds under $50? So, and also look for promotions, man. You know what I mean? Like, look for some promotions to get the better price. Sometimes there's a coupon before you hit that link. So be sure when you hit that link to purchase, look and see if there's a little box to check at the time for a coupon, because it'll apply right away. So how do these feel? They feel really nice. You do get another set. You get two more sets of tips in there. And I was listening to some music, and all of a sudden, I guess I said a keyword, and it started up on my Bose system. But you do get another set of tips, and I think you get two more in there. But these are kind of like a medium or so, medium large, and these went in my ears. Great. There's no problems with them. I didn't have an issue with them. They line up perfectly. Everything's good, and they feel really good. I don't think I will be fatigued listening to these for an hour or two, or having these in my ear for an hour or two. Sometimes you get ear fatigue, and you'll start to hurt a little bit in your ear. But after wearing these for a while, I think it'll be okay. I think I can make it about an hour with these, especially if you're not focusing on what you're doing. if you're focusing, or excuse me, if you're not focusing on the earbuds themselves, but if you're focusing on the earbuds, you're going to keep thinking about, oh, my eardrum hurts. But most of the time when you're talking on the phone, you're not focusing on the buds that you're using or the headphones. You're just talking. But if they start to bother you and you get that fatigue, then you will know that you need to take them out. But overall, folks, no real complaints right now. I mean, a quality set of earbuds from a quality company. Um, I think it's a good look for now. They've once again proven that that you do not have to spend a lot of money on earbuds just because you want something that you would consider a brand, the latest brand, or if it's not Beats, it's all this. And but these are definitely good, folks. And with the Bluetooth 5.2. You're not going to have any issues, but the connectivity is going to come more with 4.0 and above. So if you have 4.0, you should be okay with not having a drop connection, because connection is something I don't talk about a lot, but these definitely have a solid connection, and that's due to it being above 4.0. 4.0 and before, people, I guess they complain about a lot of connection issues, and I've even had some connection issues. So the tech specs on these are 12 millimeter drivers, so that's going to give you more than enough for solid sound. It should be just enough for you. So you can long press on the left earbud to switch between the 3 modes, and you'll have pass-through, and you can hear the surroundings around you, and then you also have gaming, and you have the transparency mode. So it's a good set of earbuds, and I think at 25 decibels, you're going to be more than enough pleased with these earbuds. I've been testing them out for I've had them for a few weeks and testing them out, and I think they do well. I'll see you in the next video. The links are down below. Take care. Thanks, SoundPEATS.